Who wouldn't want a smoothie that looks like a unicorn or a rainbow? Well, it's very easy. All you need is 60 millilitres of milk in a pot on the stove and 180 millilitres of whipping cream. And stir away. Heat it till it starts to bubble. Then add 1 tablespoon of gelatin and mix that in nicely. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds will then go in, and we're going to keep stirring as the mixture bubbles away and starts to thicken. Then we can turn the heat off and pour that into our serving glass. We're going to fill half of our glass and then get 150 grams of frozen banana, 50 grams of yoghurt, 50 grams of coconut, and whiz that away in the blender until smooth. So all you need is 3 ingredients for this part, and then that is going to go into our serving glass on top of the chia seed mixture. And why not squirt a bit of whipping cream on top? Make it colourful. Now we're going to add our decorations, some fondant ears, and a horn, of course. It's a unicorn. Now add 150 grams of banana, 50 grams of yoghurt, and all different types of fruit. Blueberry, butterfly pea, matcha, frozen pineapple, frozen orange, strawberry. And one by one, blend those away to produce absolutely beautiful colours. We are going to layer these colours in our serving glass for a beautiful rainbow smoothie. And to top it all off, let's add some whipping cream. We've chosen pink because we think it looks absolutely dandy. And we're going to add a few strawberries and some sprinkles for a finishing touch. There you have a rainbow smoothie and a unicorn smoothie. What more would you want in life? Go on, have a sip.